Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Niroj here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel YouTube Premium subscription or free trial. Firstly, you need to open your YouTube app. Make sure you are logged into the account that you want to cancel the subscription or the membership for. Tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then on the top right corner, tap on settings icon. Here you got the different options. Tap on purchase and membership. Now here I don't have any membership or YouTube premiumship or free trial at this moment, but if you do have one, you'll find it right under offers from YouTube. What you must do is tap and open it. New page will open up and there will find the option called deactivate. It will give you two options that you can either cancel it or you can pause it for a specific time. If you want to cancel, simply tap on it and follow the process. And this is how we cancel the YouTube premiumship subscription or free trial. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.